Feels like it's been months since last I made an illustration. And you know what? I do think it has been months. And that's bad. Because I think my last one is yeah, Jury's Commission. The tentacles lady. I think that was my last illustration. And that's not good. That is not very cash money of me.
Kenny,
Oh my god, it's been a while. How are you?
I'm okay. How you doing? This is your art in hands. Oh my. How are you? It's been a while.
I'm finally fed by your arts. Dude. I feel like I've become less of an artist. I'm just a rigger now. Because I've just been rigging the past few months. I haven't really been drawing.
Please. Oh, please. Should I let it kiss and that's all you gotta think of loving you and loving me.
Oh, thank you for the follow. If I missed that, sorry. It was locked in. Your rigger artist model Lee Slate. Am I? Thank you. Yeah, I guess it makes sense because of just like I tend to focus on one thing and abandon the other, which is bad. So I'm trying to like make some balance. It's why I'm not working on Fantasia today. I want to draw because holy shit, it has been a while. Question: how you make your floating tablet thing in display or a program seems cool. I think it's an OBS plugin. But I don't know if I have the link because it was a while ago. Someone asked about it and I found the link, but I don't remember if I still have it. Merry Crisis, like early, but I I don't celebrate Christmas in my country, so this is just a regular day for me. Uh, is that a new PNG model? I don't think so. I think it's the same one that I had. Unless you mean the shirts. I used to wear different. Wait, let me show you. Unless you're talking about this, because I have this, and I have this one with little. Oh, you cannot see her with little mosquito shading. Hold on. Where the fuck is it? There you go.
Hey, look at her. Aw, so tiny, little tiny baby. Tiny baby.